Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to release the constant need to do so that we can learn to just be. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat. Let your spine gently straighten. Release your shoulders and find a restful place for your arms and hands. As you close your eyes, relax the muscles of your face. And breathe deeply a few times. Full inhales, filling your lungs. Slow, soft exhales. Now, let your breath relax once more. Allow your inhales and exhales to move in and out without shaping or controlling them. And notice how it feels to breathe easily. If it's helpful, you can silently repeat, breathing in every time you inhale. Silently say, breathing out on each exhale. Now, stay with your breath and let your whole body become part of your awareness. As you observe your breath, body, mind, and heart, make room for whatever you notice without judging it. Make space for thoughts to come and go. Notice sensations and emotions arise and pass. Opening up to your whole experience, you are giving yourself permission to just be. Now, let your awareness widen even further. Our days are full. We run between phone calls, work, cleaning up, and back again. We're so used to doing that when we find a brief pause, we tend to feel guilty that we're not checking something else off of our list. But there is so much worth in slowing down and giving ourselves permission to just be. It can feel strange at first, but as we learn to stop, we open a window to who we truly are. We quiet the noise and distraction long enough to touch into our own heart. So here's an invitation. Try to catch yourself when you're rushing from one thing to the next. Take some conscious pauses throughout your day. Feel into your experience as you give yourself permission to just be for a few moments. As you slow down, stay open to how that changes and shapes your day. Now, become aware of the sounds in the room around you. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope this practice has served you well. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you here tomorrow.